You are welcome to this platform. On this platform, AI Digital Farm TV, we talk about modern and innovative methods of farming. And if this is your first time of being on this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Beyond that, share our productions with your friends and relatives as well, so that you can encourage them to go into farming, because that is the way forward out of the food insecurity that we are experiencing in this nation, and which the world is as well experiencing. In this series, we are still looking at the formative stage of the palm oil seedling. In this vegetative growth stage of the palm seedling, care must be taken to make sure that you get it right, because that will determine the overall performance of the palm tree as it grows to the point of productivity. Today, our focus is on how to restructure the soil to get the right soil pH that supports adequate release of the nutrients needed for the vibrant and healthy growth of palm seedlings. Such nutrients as carbon, nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, calcium, magnesium, iron, manganese, and so many other essential nutrients are important for the growth of palm seedlings right from the nursery stage. And it is important that as a farmer, you should be able to know how to restructure your soil or the natural soil using organic manure, so that the soil will be able to release these nutrients to the plant for their healthy growth and development. When we talk about soil pH, we are talking about the measure of the acidity or alkalinity or the basicity of the soil. Like you can see on the screen, the pH scale. The pH scale ranges from 0 to 14, 7 being neutral. From 0 to 6.9 is the acidic range. From 7.1 to 14 is the alkaline stage. And for young palm seedlings, they thrive very well in slightly acidic environment between 5.5 to 6.9, at worst neutral, which is 7. As a farmer, if you are able to restructure your soil to get this range of 5.5 to 6.9 acidic scale of your soil, the soil will be able to release the necessary nutrients, like we have mentioned, nitrogen, carbon, potassium, release them in the right proportion for the healthy development to the plants. Another importance of restructuring the soil to get the right pH is for the right microbial activities to be able to break down the nutrients into the form that the plants will be able to absorb the nutrients into their system. With the right pH, the soil will be able to hold the right quantity of moisture that will support the healthy growth of the palm seedlings. Besides, there will be strong development of the root, which is very important at this stage. To be able to achieve this as a farmer, you should be able to strike the right balance between the carbon to nitrogen ratio of about 25 to 1 to 30 to 1. To be able to achieve this, as a farmer, you should be able to know the right ingredients you have to use in the formation of your manure, the right quantity you have to add, and the nutritional value each of them is going to give to the young plants. You have to take note of these things and add them in the right proportion that each of them is needed. Of course, there are so many things you can deploy in the formation of manure. Some like animal dung, we talk about poultry waste, we talk about piggery waste from the piggery, we talk about cow dung, we talk about goat dung. We equally have to talk about pome, leaf clippings. We talk about other things like the shell of an egg, talk about straw. There are so many of them. And in our subsequent lessons, we will go into practical preparation of manure using different items or ingredients to achieve the right carbon to nitrogen proportion that will be beneficial to your young palm seedlings. Thank you for always being on our channel. Until next time, when we are going to go into the practical preparation of organic manure using different ingredients to form organic manure suitable for the healthy growth of your palm seedlings. Remember, I remain your friend, Festus Etwana of AI Digital Farm TV. Thank you.